Buenos días a todos. A nombre del Coffee Quality Institute les quiero dar la bienvenida.
The Q Grader came along, and it was extremely necessary and important at the time that it came along. First, for providing a way for growers to find out the quality of their coffee. The other huge thing that the Q Grader program did was that it trained a group of cuppers and provided for communication throughout the world. So a grower could communicate with a co-op, who could communicate with an importer, exporter, all the way through to the end consumer, and talk about coffee scores and talk about sensory profiles. And through that communication, a lot of great coffees were produced that otherwise would have been lost in general lots. The Q processing program builds on that. And that how can we increase this communication? Processing is one of the best ways for a grower to aggregate value to their product. It's very difficult for a grower to pull up all their crops and replant a new cultivar. It's different for them to sell their farm at a lower altitude and move to a higher altitude. But a grower can change the way that they're processing the coffee to provide a consistent product to the end consumer.
Entonces, aquí hay un cilindro únicamente, ¿verdad? Que está girando con una polea, y este canal, si quieren, alguien se puede parar acá y vea aquí internamente, ahí están los canales donde cada cereza y el grupo de cerezas se mete en el canal. So nowadays, more and more producers are asked by buyers to start playing and experimenting with processes. And that has opened a lot of interest from producers to start, using their coffees and processing their coffees different ways, so that you're able to come up with a portfolio of products.
We need more information, and one of the reasons that I'm interested in this as an anthropologist and as a researcher is that there's actually not a whole lot of data on processing, and what there is hard to access, or it's hard to bring to a different context. It's very specific to a particular place or a particular kind of machinery or set of resources that are not necessarily available.
There's 3 different levels to the Q processing program. The first level of the course, it's geared towards baristas, roasters, or just anyone who loves coffee, so anybody can attend. The second level of the course is geared towards those that have experience with processing. The third level of the course is the expert level of the course. Somebody who passes that level, the third level of the course, will have understood the state of the art of processing and then contribute to that.
For me, the processing course is one of the main factors that is a lack, is a big gap in the whole value chain, in the processing, and is, I think, one of the most important elements in the whole quality equation.